you so much, Dubai Holding Community Management, for hosting this amazing event. We really enjoy it. Our children are playing together and everybody's just having fun.
The children have a nice time. We are having a good time. There is food, there is henna, there is so many things. Thank you very much.
It's really, we are very proud to see amazing program going on at Port De La Mer. Happy National Day.